think first off, a big thank you to Jackie, whose voice has held today. Round of applause for Jackie. Well done. Well, I just love this stage. Isn't it great? Yeah. It is a bit hot. That's the downside of a fancy screen.
Yeah, it is.
I just want to acknowledge some people perhaps behind the scenes who have really helped today happen, and that is the team in the project office. I would like to acknowledge Michelle, Becky, Will and Rosie for all their hard work in preparing this conference. I'd like to acknowledge the technical team that we've worked with on this venue and with last night as well. And, they've done a great job as well. And I just would like to thank all of you, all of our speakers and all of our members, and for all of you for being here today and being part of this conversation. You know, Gregor said something about the Automotive Working Group, about the diversity of the membership in the Auto Working Committee. And that's the same with WorldDAB. You know, we have members across the OEMs, the auto manufacturers, the broadcasters, the regulators. We heard from all of them today, and that is the key to the future. So that's precisely what we're about, and I think we achieved that. But I want to hear from you, Jackie. What were a few highlights for you from today's conference?
Well, first of all, you thanked everybody, but I want to thank you. So, applause for Bernie. Thank you. And then the highlights. The highlight for me is like last night and being here all together with the people. I think that is the nicest thing to have, that we are all so passionate about what we are doing and actually aiming for keeping broadcast radio essential in cars. I mean, that is a core message that we got across today. And we do that through all different means. And we have this wonderful piece of research that we can now share with all our colleagues, and that we hope, and I count on it actually, that helps us with the Digital Network Act to get what we want, to have radio, broadcast radio at the forefront of all vehicles, and especially some categories that we mentioned. So that is very important work. I love to thank also, I enjoyed very much the figures of DTS because it's wonderful to see, and I saw it at Radio Days as well for Ireland, the figures there, proving how important it is that DAB is there in all the cars, and then all of a sudden those trials are becoming like really relevant. And the Irish broadcasters become really enthusiastic, so that's great, and that's what you see all over the place. That we do make a difference in the lives of drivers. So, yeah, there's a lot to say, but I'm not going to repeat everything we saw today. I just want to say thank you.
Yeah, exactly. Thank you. And thank you to our sponsors, by the way, as well. You can see them, Xperi, Pineda, AVT, and ARD. So well done, everyone. Thank you again to all of our speakers. And thanks for staying through till the end. I'm not going to say where you're going to catch up with us next, because Julia is going to do that for us. And there's a reason why Julia is going to do that. So Julia,
yes,
where are we off to next?
All right. So I just want to say thank you all again for being such a great part of WorldDAB Automotive 2026. And I hope to see you all in my home country, Austria, Vienna, next year at the Summit. Yeah, so that could...
later this year.
Later this year.
Yeah. All right.
18 November, to be precise. So
yes.
Mark it in your diary.
Right.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Have a great day and safe travels.
Bye-bye.
Bye.